Hi guys, it's Matthew again. It's a new month. It's 1st of September 2023. Happy new month to all our subscribers and traders worldwide. Today we're going to be trading the Volatility 100 index, rise and fall, and we are using the smarttrader.deriv.com. So once you log into your account, go to the synthetic indices, then you go to Volatility 100 index, then you choose the rise and fall right here. So we are going to be working with the numbers there. Actually we are going to be working with the background as well. So you can see the background turns red here and the background turns green as well sometimes. So we are going to be set your ticks to 2 ticks, then enter the amounts you want to stake. As you know, rise and fall comes with huge risk and high reward as well. So you're making almost 100% of your earnings when you trade rise and fall. So here we're going to be watching the background here. Once it's red and the numbers there, the last 2 numbers there has to be between 1 to 11, so it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then the background has to be red before you click on fall. Don't forget your ticks has to be 2 ticks. So you can see the background there is green, so you must not place the trade there is still green. So it has to be red and the last 2 numbers has to be between 1 and 11. That's 99, but it's red. That's changed to green again. That's 60, but it's red. 51 and green. It has to be red and it has to be between 1 and 11. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't forget your mouse has to be on this for purchase button because the number can show up anytime, so you have to be smart with it. That's 52, 46 red, 21 red, 77 red, 90 red, 97 green, 35 red, 44 red. That's 3. So you can see the number there. It's between 1 and 11 and it's red. So you can see we won that trade there. We won that trade. You can see how long it took for the numbers to pop up. So you have to be patient with it. You have to be very, very patient with it. We're going to trade again. So before we proceed, if you haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, there's a boat right here. There's a boat right there, the TOUCHSCALPER boat. So you can see some results today. The boat is just 9.99 USD. It works on deriv.com interface. To order the boat, all you have to do is to visit www.touchscaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. There are several payment options on the order page, and the PIPSREAPER boat as well trades on the digits. So the PIPSREAPER boat is 7.99 USD. To order the PIPSREAPER boat, visit www.binarypipsreaperboat.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boat. And all our boats comes with a free ebook on how to trade synthetic indices, and we also include the 4 free boats as well, which you can use to trade on Deriv. You order all our boats. We also include a Forex trading ebook card right here, and you also get a free Forex trading boats program by me. So just visit the order pages to order this boat, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Subscribe to all our channels, so you see the links right here. So we'll paste this in the video description on YouTube. This is the link for the PIPSREAPER boat. Check the video description on YouTube. This is the link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boat, and this is the link to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account. So here are the links to our channels to subscribe to the first channel using that link right there, and this is the second channel. Check the video description on YouTube. is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels, and we also included the free link to download the ebooks, and this is a link to sign up for a free broker account for Forex, so as to test the free bots we shared freely. So here is the link to download the free ebook for Forex, and here is the link to download the synthetic indices ebook. In the ebook you will see the links to download the free bots right there. So here is our forum website to read written tutorials. So let's get back to the trading. So we want that trade, so we're going to wait again. Let's watch. Don't forget the numbers has to be between 1 to 11, and it has to be red. The background has to be red as 10, but I want it to rebound before I place another trade right there. So 38. So that's okay. We lost that trade, so we're going to place another trade again. Green, 58 red, 13 is still, the number is still good, still within. Okay, we want that trade there, but 13 is still good, but it should be between 1 to 11, so we are going to place another trade again. That's one green. We've won 2 trades, we only lost 1. Rise and fall comes with huge, that's 9. Huge reward and also huge risk as well. So you can see we won the 3rd trade there. So if you place maybe 5 or 6 trades, you lost 1 or 2, you will still be in profit. That's one good thing about trading rise and fall. So if you master this strategy, you'll be able to earn a lot with it. Thanks for watching. Bye.